Welcome to another data recovery video. This time I'm working on a Samsung Portable SSD T7. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am a professional data recovery engineer and people drop off or mail in faulty SSD drives and it's my job to get the data back. Now the customer said he has accidentally spilt some liquid into this SSD and it stopped working. We can see it's a 2 terabyte version. They come in different sizes. The model number is MU-PC2T0T. I'm not even going to bother trying to turn this one on because if there's water inside, the first thing you want to do is open it and clean it out. People that put these in rice, that's very silly. Need to use a pry tool. So the SSD is inside this little plastic sleeve and we need to remove some more screws. There's the inside. Let's have a look for any water damage. So that's how you open a T7 SSD. If it's been water damaged, you want to get it out and clean the water off. If we have a look at this one nice and close, well, there is no water on the electronics. So that's a good thing. However, if you get a closer look inside the connector, you can see that there is signs of corrosion on the little USB-C pins. So what I've done is got some isopropyl alcohol and I've cleaned the inside of this connector out so there's no more corrosion or mineral deposits. With all the water cleaned out of this connector and we know the inside is safe, I've plugged it in and the good news is I've got it working now. I've got a full ID and we've got data access. That's a successful repair. If you need data recovery from a Samsung Portable SSD T7 that's not working, visit us at zeroalpha.com.au. You can drop off or mail in from any location, including worldwide, and we will get your data back at the lowest price.